How did I found a jewelry brand while still being a 19-year-old with barely any knowledge? For me, it's a product that doesn't look like merch at first glance. Definitely not this. That's why I create things only the actual gamers will see. Some kind of real-life Easter eggs. For example, my Ruination ring that's based on Aram Mayhem King, Augment/Pentakill Viego crown. I printed my 3D models to actually see how it would look in real life, and most important, if it would be comfortable to wear. I had to do adjustments many times, but after a few tries, I got the final products. Next thing on my list was packaging. For the boxes, I decided to keep the silver text, which came out surprisingly pretty. Since I'm a graphic designer, I built my website with help of Lovable. Let me know in the comments if you like it. There are a few jewelry designs, posters, and some clothing pieces available. I'd really appreciate anyone who decides to support me by purchasing something. Back to the rings. Straight from the factory, they are matte with raw silver coating, which we need to get rid of. I used sandpapers in the start, had to do many rounds changing the grades gradually. Then I helped myself with a rotary tool using rubber disc. You really have to be slow and patient. Pressure would only make dents in the design. Towards the end, I used a wool disc with a little bit of silver polishing paste I got from the market here in Czech Republic. You can really see the difference now. Well, now there's a question. Was this all really worth it? That's up to you to decide. Thank you for your attention.